In this video, I'm going to show you how incredibly easy it is to create some fantastic t-shirt designs. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned veteran or you're an absolute beginner in the t-shirt business. Placeit's t-shirt design templates make it super easy, so let's get started. So let me show you just a couple of designs that I've already made using the t-shirt templates. You can make all kinds of designs. Minimalist designs, serious designs, cartoony designs, and anything in between. And the quality of the designs is just phenomenal. You don't need to be a designer, and you certainly don't need to hire one to have great looking designs. To get started, we first choose a t-shirt design template that we'd like to start out with. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Cat T-shirt design maker. To start editing, we simply go to the left-hand side, and that's where we have all our different text options. Each one of these text boxes represents a line of text on the t-shirt design template. To edit them, you would just edit them the same way you would in any text editor. Select it and start writing. And you're going to see the change reflected in almost real time on the preview. So it's very easy to just edit it until you get it just right. To the left of the text box, we have a little check mark. And if we uncheck it, that removes that line of text. So we don't actually need to use all the lines of text that are available to us if we don't want to. Below that, we have a button that lets us change the font for that line of text. So if I just click on it, I get a drop down with all these different text options. And to change the font, I just click on the one I want to try out, and we can see the change reflected in the preview once again. To the right of the text button, we have the color picker button. If we click on that, we get a drop down with all these different color options. And if we click on more, we get to see more options. So we can just click and drag, and we can see a preview of that color. We can also input the hex code of the color if we happen to have that. And once we're satisfied, we just click on choose, and the text line updates with that color. So I'm going to go ahead and change it back. Below the text options, we have a back graphic color picker and a back graphic picker. So for example, I'm just going to try one of these out. You can see the background changes here to whatever graphic I choose. I'm going to go ahead and choose this circle here with some sparkles. I'm going to change the back graphic color by clicking on the color picker here, and I'm going to change it to a nice yellow. Next, we move on to the right-hand side where we have our main graphic color picker and main graphic picker option here. And let's see, I think I want to choose, let's see, what cat did we use for the last one? This one here. We've got a cat doing a nice yoga pose. And we're going to change the color to a nice dark purple. Looks pretty good. Right, and finally, we have the background option. So we can choose the background color. And we can also choose a background graphic if we'd like to use that instead. So we've got a couple of different options here. We could also even upload our own custom image by clicking on custom image. So we could upload a photo or a pattern or any other image that we'd like to use instead. There are a bunch of different options. I'm just going to leave it yellow. And I'm going to go to the left once again, and I'm going to change the font and the text. So let's see here. We're going to change it to say Namaste every day. And I'm going to change the font to something a little more script-like, not so serious. I'm also going to change the colors. So on the right-hand side, where I chose the main graphic and the main graphic color, I chose this kind of a nice dark purple. I'd like to use that same color here. So I'll just click on the color picker for this line of text. I'm actually going to go one shade lighter. Same thing for the next line. I'm going to go one shade lighter to get a nice kind of a gradient going from dark purple to a nice light purple. And once we're ready to actually download our design, we simply go to the top section here, the big blue download button, and we click on that. And then we would click on purchase, and we would follow those steps. And that's how easy it is to download our finished design. So that's how easy it is to create your own professional looking t-shirt designs. You don't need to be a designer, and you certainly don't need to hire one to have great looking results. One other benefit of using Placeit is that they've recently changed their subscription tiers. So right now, for only $29 a month, you get unlimited access to every single t-shirt design template that's available and any future t-shirt design template. So if we go to Placeit.net and go to the top left-hand side where it says Design Templates, and we slide down to where it says T-shirt Design Templates, we're going to see thumbnails of all the different T-shirt design templates that are currently available. As you can see, there's quite a bit of variety, and they're constantly adding new templates. But that's not all. Remember the t-shirt mockups that I used at the beginning of the video to show you the t-shirt designs? Those are also included as part of Placeit's unlimited subscription. To see the t-shirt mockups available, you go to Placeit.net, and then on the top left-hand sidebar where it says Apparel and Print, you slide down to where it says T-shirt mockups. But as you can see, Placeit has a ton of different apparel options, not just t-shirts. That's just the tip of the iceberg. Slide down, we can see a bunch of different options available, all kinds of different styles, of people, of settings, and apparel options. And these are all available for you to use in an unlimited fashion if you subscribe to the $29 a month unlimited subscription. To do that, you simply go to the top right-hand side where it says $29 unlimited subscription. You click on that. You click on the blue button that says monthly. You sign up, you follow the steps, and that's how easy it is to get access, not just to the t-shirt design templates, but to all the mockups available. That also includes the video mockups that are available. To see those, you go to the left-hand sidebar, where we use to filter all the different options available. You slide down to where it says template types, and you click on video. So maybe you didn't know, but Placeit also offers video mockups, not just image mockups. They're just as easy to use, and they're fantastic for all kinds of promotional uses. And we're barely just scratching the surface. Placeit has all the mockups and design templates you could possibly need to grow your t-shirt business. You can create your logo, create your t-shirt designs, the mockups to promote the t-shirt designs, video mockups, banners, and even business cards for your t-shirt brand. With the Placeit Unlimited subscription, it's the only subscription you need to create and grow your t-shirt business.